was a really hard time. I felt really overwhelmed when I first came home after a really bad hail storm, and I wasn't looking forward at all to having to deal with trying to find somebody to do everything that needed to be done. The siding, the roof, painting, windows. I did have to have a couple windows replaced immediately. They took care of the whole thing, and I didn't have to fight, which I'm so glad about that. One of the reasons why I went with Energy Guard is because of the warranty. The siding, if it has any hail damage or wind damage, it can be replaced free of charge with the supplies and the labor both for as long as I'm in the house, as well as whoever purchases this house, they have the same warranty. And I thought, that's wonderful. I can pass that over to whoever buys the house, and I like the roof warranty as well. It's got a 50-year warranty on it, and it's impact resistant, which will decrease your insurance 10 to 25%. It also has a fade resistant on the siding, and you never have to paint it, and if any of those occur, that's also free of charge replaced. They changed the roof, and they put new siding on and rewrapped windows. They also changed the guttering. The crew was wonderful. We really liked both the roofers and the siders both, and they're very knowledgeable, and we were really highly impressed with the crews, both of them. I think it looks really sharp. It's just amazing. The siding is slightly darker than it was before, but it turned out to be just right with the color of the roof. It's got the insulation molded to the siding, and now I have double insulation, and I think that's going to be a lot nicer. I'm really pleased with Energy Guard. I'm really impressed with the knowledge of the crews. I really like the way it is now. It's so much more beautiful, and let's just say I'm glad we had the hailstorm. I'm glad I wasn't here when it happened, but I'm glad that everything changed.